Hello and welcome. Today is a short video on how to replace your fog lights on Infiniti M series or G series, along with the little chrome trim piece that goes around the fog lamp. So this one got destroyed completely. The fog lamp with the light bulb and the trim piece was lost. So I will be replacing both so that they will look the same. I will tell you the parts, and again it is the same as the Infiniti G35, 35, 7 and Infiniti M37. It is a little bit difficult to find the part description for the M37, so I will tell you what it is. And in my case, I'm not going to replace the plastic trim or the sort of a vent cap that goes into the opening. It's just the trim piece and the fog lamp itself. Let's get going. These are the trim pieces. This is the original one. I just cleaned it up. And this is your part number, and this is R, so passenger side. I washed it off so it looks much nicer now. And this is your driver's side, and this is the part number. If you do not know, you'll be looking for Infiniti, and if it's M37 you will not find it, but so it's Nissan Infiniti Group. I paid 30 bucks on eBay. And these are the new lamps, actual lamps, so they will be identical, will match. And this one I cleaned it up, but as you can tell it just needs to be polished, and overall, I mean, I will keep it, but this one is gone. Just get under, push against the lamp itself, and it just comes off like that. And then to put it back on, just line it up with this groove here, there, straight like that, and it clips back on. My main shield is already removed since I'm doing some other work to the car. Now we just need to loosen up this fender liner inside, and that will take us with number 10, removing this one. It's already loosened up in my case. 2, 3, 4 number 10 bolts. So once we've gained access to the back of the fog lamp, all we need to do is to remove this screw right here. So it's just a Phillips. My camera is just having a difficult time to focus, but that screw or bolt, either way you call it, goes right here. So that's the only one point of connection that holds it inside of the bracket in the back. Alright, so once this screw is out from the back, it should become loose. Back. And boom, it comes out. There's one connection here. Sort of get something between right there. Place it on the outside. Comes out. These are no left, right, doesn't matter. Slide right back in. There we go. Looks much nicer. Much nicer. On the passenger side, you will think that this reservoir is going to be in your way, but there is just enough space for you to get with a little tiny number 8 socket to pull out this little bolt from the back of the fog lamp. And here is the final product. Brand new here. brand new here. So this trim is just cleaned up, came out pretty much equal to the look of that one. Now, I did not have an issue. For an ease of the access, you might lift up the car, just jack it up a little bit, and of course for the best access you can also take off the wheels, but I got away without jacking up the car and just turning the wheels to the inside when I was working on the side. So on this one I turned this way, and on that one I turned this way. Anyway, did not take long. This one is very simple, very easy. This took a little longer because there is a reservoir in the back. You'll have to sort of like slide in between with a little socket, but thankfully the bolts, the screws inside of the backing of the fog lamp were not tied in too tight, so it was fairly simple. Remember, Nissan, Infiniti, all the lineup of Infiniti will take these fog lamps, the same with the Nissan. So it's a Nissan product. And the trim pieces, not the plastic one, just the chrome one, is the same between the G and M series. The black plastic housing of the trim and the whole fog lamp is different, but the chrome pieces are the same between the G and the M. Anyway, here is the product. Here's how to do it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, see you next time. Either way, bye.